In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Postscript into your Shopify store in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you seamlessly integrate SMS marketing into your online store to engage better with your customers and boost sales. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for Shopify. It's important to navigate to the official Shopify website to ensure you're logging into the correct account. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. If you happen to be using a shared or public computer, ensure that you log out of all other accounts for security purposes. Once you've successfully logged into your Shopify admin interface, navigate over to the Apps section. This is where you'll be able to search for various add-ons that you can integrate into your store to enhance its capabilities. In the search bar provided, type in Postscript. This will help you locate the Postscript SMS marketing app quickly. Once the search results populate, select the Postscript SMS marketing app. It should be easy to spot, as it's one of the more popular apps designed for SMS marketing on Shopify. Now, you'll want to click either the Add App or Install button. This action will initiate the installation process, so make sure you're ready to proceed with setting it up on your store. You may be prompted to log back into your Shopify store if not already logged in, or if your session has expired. Approve the connection between your Shopify store and Postscript to ensure the integration can work smoothly. After this step, you will be redirected to Postscript's website or its dashboard. Here, you'll need to create a Postscript account if you don't already have one. During this initial setup stage, you'll be asked to provide essential details about your shop and to agree to the compliance steps, particularly important for SMS marketing functionalities. Once installed, it's time to configure your Postscript settings within their dashboard. This is where you can tailor the app to fit your brand's needs, including adding links to your shop's terms of service and privacy policy. Setting up these links is crucial for maintaining transparency with your customers, which is always good practice, particularly when dealing with personal customer data and SMS marketing. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Postscript into your Shopify store. This integration will allow you to engage your customers more actively and set up campaigns that can help drive sales and increase customer retention. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online store.